So much for a locked bicycle. The Tour Schwinn. Let's see how long it takes to cut this thing off. Way too small.
Maybe if you weren't videotaping it the other one.
No, it's too small. So much for locking your bike, huh?
Yeah.
You know what the most stolen item is at the big box hardware stores? Cordless tools, so they can steal catalytic converters and such. Alright, I gotta sandblast my Blazer. Can't take it. Rust. Rust. Check out this rocker. This rocker always had a few holes, but almost no rocker left. Maybe I'll go to that junkyard in India and get another rocker. Rust. It's terrible, 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 terrible. My Blazer. Rusted junk.